but man, this color suits this truck really well. The cool thing about this color is kind of a classic color, so it really fits this older style truck really well. It's a little bit more blue on camera than it is in person, but it is very blue. It came out awesome. I changed my clear coat settings, and the clear coat is so smooth. The last paint job I did, I had a good bit of orange peel. There's so little orange peel on this, and I'm really, really happy about that. I also got a couple of runs that we'll work on, and then the hood had a really weird reaction, so I'm gonna have to respray the whole hood, but I'm okay with that. It's not that big of a deal. Before I do any of that, I'm going to finish the interior, because the outside of the truck looks really nice and fresh, but the interior still looks terrible. And all of this black plastic has got to be redone, because with new, fresh, shiny paint, this plastic looks tired. So that's what we're gonna do today.
Enjoy this Verizon ringback tone while your party is reached.
Hey man.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
What you got going on?
I'm down here working out with the boys at the school right now.
Okay, cool. Can I get you to make a commitment to me?
Sure.
I've got to. I was planning on working on your car behind my house so you couldn't see it when you drive by, but I'm not gonna be able to because I think it's gonna rain.
Yeah, I don't drive that way anyway.
Oh, okay, cool. So you'll go around the house?
Yep.
All right. That's all I wanted to know.
Okay.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
See ya. We gotta move. I think it's gonna rain, and I don't want to get rain all inside of this truck. So I'm gonna move it to the front of the house. He says he doesn't drive by here that direction, so we'll see. What? What do you say?
Daddy, could you please not get me?
Where are your clothes?
I just wear this so I could not be cold.
That doesn't make any sense. Let's go.
Yeah, I think this?
Yeah, it's very... This is my dad's shop, but we don't film here very often, and the reason is because my dad's a lot like me and he always has projects going on. I actually had to move a project golf cart out of the way to get this in. But we're here. This thing looks so good. I love it. This is gonna allow us to work in the night, which is great, because normally I have trouble doing that at my house, my shop. Let's see if we can get this door down. So I very literally just found this gutter laying around my dad's shop, and we're gonna see if we can make one of these out of it. Put them up somewhere? Yeah. I'll put them up here. Oh look, this will hold them. Look, this goes in there, and then that goes on top. So right there. Is that hilarious?
Yeah. I never seen that.
You never seen that before?
Yeah. This thing is so cold.
Your shoes are wet?
Yeah.
All the way down. He wanted a popsicle. It's like 30 degrees outside. Are you cold?
No.
I don't believe you.
This one on there.
I poked myself with that metal. So you might be wondering why I went with such a low budget cover. Well, here's why. My brother drives this truck around in the summer a lot with the top off, and the last covers that he got, high dollar covers, they bleached out in like 2 years. So I'm expecting these to bleach out in a year or two, and that's okay. When they do, we'll just buy another set of $30 covers and throw them on. Alright, that took longer than expected, but we've got a back seat and it feels really nice. I'm very happy with this. You've got a lot of creases and stuff that I think will come out as it relaxes a little bit, but overall we got it to fit really well. Putting this seat back in was kind of a pain, but it looks really good. Whew, I really want to end this video right here, but I'm not going to. I gotta put these door panels back on. My goal is to finish this video with all of the interior back in, minus the front 2 seats, so we got some work to do.